Okay, so after being on the road for 4 hours, we finally made it here in Chefchaouen. From here, we have to take a cab to my guest house. I'm feeling a bit sick right now, so wish me luck, alright? But let's enjoy the city. Okay. This is the last leg of my 2019 Moroccan winter holiday before heading to Spain and Portugal to continue my journey. Be sure to watch my previous videos to get a glimpse of my Moroccan adventure. Alright, so I finally made it here in my guest house, and just like in Marrakesh and Fes, it is so darn beautiful. Alright, let's check this place out. Alright, so this is my room, which I paid for 30 euros. It's not so bad because I really wanted to have a private room here in Chefchaouen. Fantastic.
What do you want today?
Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Alright. There's the view. Okay. Good guest house. We also have a hammock. Thank you. Shukran.
Welcome. Marhaba.
Nestled in the Rif Mountains, Chefchaouen or Chaouen is conveniently located between Fes and Tangier. It took me 3.5 hours by bus to reach it from Fes. Chefchaouen is a pleasantly relaxing mountain city whose medina became famous for its brightly painted blue buildings. No one really knows why the walls were painted blue. Many suggest that the color keeps mosquitoes away. Some associate it either to the Jews who used to live in the area or to the clear waters that can be found in the surrounding mountains. Others also believe that blue makes the town cooler in warmer months. Locals also think that painting everything blue was just mandated to attract tourists. No one really knows the reason, but one thing is for sure. Bright blue has made the town prettier and popular. As you can see, the Medina is an absolute hit among tourists. Everyone seemed excited to have their photos taken in front of the blue walls or along the blue alleys. Despite this, I still enjoyed my brief stay in Chefchaouen. I just found it extremely charming. Getting lost in the Medina was also enchanting. Alright, so we're now walking around Cosmopolitan, which is the main square of Chefchaouen's Blue Medina. I really like Chefchaouen because compared to Marrakesh or Fes, this town is a bit smaller and the people are more relaxed and friendlier. Okay, this guy is very friendly. What's your name, mister?
What's your name, Sulaiman? What's your name?
Sulaiman. Angelo.
Angelo,
Nice to meet you.
Welcome, marhaba.
Thank you. Marhaba. Philippines.
Felipe, Felipe Atisha.
My day in Chefchaouen is almost over, so I just decided to sit here on this hill and admire the beautiful sunset of this town. Take a look at this. Just in time for the call of prayer or the Salah. Magical.
Okay, time to eat. Look what I'm having for dinner. This is actually my first meal of the day. So, the Moroccan soup is over. There's bread, french fries, and this goat tagine. All in this lovely setting. I'm now eating at Restaurant Asada, and all of this cost around what, probably 60 dirhams, which is 6 euros. Not too bad for this heavy meal. Alright, itadakimasu.
I headed to my last destination in Morocco the next day. It takes 2.5 hours to reach Tangier from Chefchaouen, and honestly, I had low expectations for the city other than serving as my departure port for Europe. But I was wrong. I love Tangier. As an international zone from 1924 to 1956, Tangier has retained its cosmopolitan vibe that gives it a much different flair from the other Moroccan cities that I've been to.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is my last day in Morocco. Yeah, it's a bit bittersweet because I will have to leave this beautiful country after traveling for 9 days. But on hindsight, I'm actually heading to an equally gorgeous destination just across the strait. Do you know where that is? Of course you do. Alright, so let's explore this fantastic hotel. I'm staying at Hotel Continental, and we're at their Salon Hassan, which is just one of their many public spaces. This is beautiful. Right? Look at all those details. And there's a fountain. Alright, but the main feature of this hotel is this. It's actually just across the port. Beautiful, eh? It's 5:45 here in Tangier, Morocco, and I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but over there is Europe, and tomorrow we will sail it from this port. We will cross the strait from here to there. Yay! I'm so excited!
Thank you for joining me on my 9-day Moroccan winter adventure. The next episodes will feature the continuation of my 24-day journey in Spain and Portugal just a month before the COVID-19 pandemic paralyzed the world. Here is a preview of my trip in Seville. Hoping that you can watch the next one. Stay healthy and be safe.